Hello dear students, good evening to everyone. Now start the very important session for your upcoming board examination. Okay, that's a previous year question as well as the one shot notes for your examination. Okay, now start the Ionic Equilibria. Okay, let me clear about the screen and sound. Is it clear? Sound and screen both are clear? Hello dear students, good evening. Sound and screen both are clear. Okay, now start the Ionic Equilibria. Ionic Equilibria chapter having the weightage 4 to 6 mark weightage है. So out of the 4 and 6 mark weightage, that's there is a 2 marks numerical, 1 marks MCQs, very short answer question also there. And next is again 2 marks derivation type question. Get it one? The derivation type question एक MCQ एक very short answer question, न्यूमेरिकल 2 मार्क्स न्यूमेरिकल आणि एक 2 मार्क्स डेरिवेशन असेल. तर हा चॅप्टर एकदम सोपा चॅप्टर आहे. आयोनिक इक्विलिब्रिया लहान चॅप्टर आहे. 4 to 6 marks weightage. Now start the questions one by one as well as the synopsis note also. So this is the question, derive the relationship between the pH and pOH. तर हा क्वेश्चन टू मच इम्पॉर्टंट आहे एक्झामिनेशन साठी. That's the pH and pOH. Then what is the relationship between the pH and pOH? तर तुमच्या टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये तर pH and pOH चं डेरिवेशन नोट केले पहा प्लीज. आपण चेक करा, टेक्स्टबुक चेक करा आपण. ओके, so this is the relationship between the pH and pOH. Sorry. Okay, this is very important relationship between the pH and pOH. The first taken as a ionic product of water. What is the ionic product of water? Ionic product of water is the concentration of the H3O plus and concentration of OH minus. Now the value of the Kw is the ionic product of water is the 1 into 10 raised to minus 14 at the 298 Kelvin, and the concentration of H3O plus OH minus is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. So by taking the log of both sides, दोन्ही साइडचे log घ्या आपण. Get it? By taking the log of both sides. So taking the log of the H3O plus log to the base of the OH minus, and then by changing the sign, by reversing sign here, by changing sign. So by changing the sign we get. तर तुम्ही जर का साइन चेंज केलं किंवा मल्टिप्लाय बाय -1 केलं तर this is the minus log to the base of the H3O plus minus log to the base of OH minus is equal to 14. And so okay, therefore on the basis of definition of the pH and pOH, this is your required equation. So this is the derivation actually, pH plus pOH equal to 14. ठीक है, हा क्वेश्चन 2021 चा पण आहे, 22 चा पण. Okay, clear? Please note करा आपण. This is very important question for 2 marks. Derive the relationship between the pH and pOH. Okay, get it? Next is the derive an expression of the Oswald dilution law for the weak acid. Oswald dilution law. Derive the relationship between the Oswald dilution law for weak acids. Oswald dilution law. Okay. I think यामध्ये पण शो करेन मी इथे. इथे हा Okay, this is the Arrhenius concept. First has Arrhenius concept. Lewis concept is there, very important. Lewis concept. Yes, this is the Arrhenius law. Oswald addition law. Oswald addition law for weak acids. So consider the acid that's a partly. So this is the weak acid Ha. Ha gives H plus A minus. So the dissociation constant of weak acid is the K is equal to H plus A minus divided by HA. This is equation term as the 1. Get it? So the alpha be the degree of dissociation and 1 minus alpha is the fraction of the remains undissociated. So this is initially number of moles. Initially number of moles 1. Concentration of H plus is 0. Number of moles at equilibrium 1 minus alpha, alpha and alpha. And so the concentration at equilibrium 1 minus alpha divided by V. Number of moles divided by V volume is will get the concentration. So just by applying or substituting the value, on substituting the value we get. Then if you just substitute the value, concentration of H plus alpha divided by V, concentration of A minus is alpha divided by V, and this is all divided by the 1 minus alpha divided by V. Okay. Then that's VV get cancelled. So alpha square divided by V, that's 1 minus alpha. So K is equal to alpha square into C divided by 1 minus alpha. Okay, clear है? Please note कर अपन. This is very important. So this is K is equal to alpha square into C divided by 1 minus alpha. Okay, so for the weak acid, Ha alpha is very small. That's why the 1 minus alpha should be taken as the 1. So the K is equal to alpha square into C. So alpha is equal to under root of the K divided by C. And therefore the K is equal to alpha square divided by C. So the alpha is equal to under root of the K into V. So the degree of dissociation of the weak acid inversely proportional, very important, inversely proportional to the square root of its concentration and directly proportional to the square root of volume of the solution. Get it? This is the Oswald dilution law. तो नोट करते हैं ना अपने Oswald dilution law. This is very important. So this is final equation as in this way, alpha. So this is Oswald dilution law. Okay, get it? This is very important expression. ठीक है, क्लियर है सर्वांचं? ओके, Oswald dilution law फॉर वीक ऍसिड. तर वीक ऍसिड साठी नोट करायचं आपण. दिस इज फॉर वीक ऍसिड. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay, why does the copper sulfate solution turns the blue litmus red? Why does the copper sulfate solution turns the litmus paper red? So it is acidic solution, and then how to write the answer in this way? Hydrolysis of salt. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, copper sulfate solution, that's a CuSO4 is a salt of strong acid and weak base. When that's a CuSO4 is dissolved in water, dissociate completely, then 2 form the Cu2 plus SO4 2 minus. So there is a, that's a sulfate ion has a tendency to react with the water. Get it? The reaction of the CuSO4. So this is the formation of the, due to presence of the excess of S3O plus. S3O plus. The resulting solution of copper sulfate becomes of acidic and thus the litmus paper red. So due to presence of excess of S3O plus. This is actually your answer. हे answer and he reaction है. Yes, at least you should be able to write the reaction in this way. बस एवढंच लिहायचं. समजलं का? रिएक्शन लिहायचे आपण. रिएक्शन आणि आन्सर मध्ये हे आलं पाहिजे ड्यू टू प्रेझेन्स ऑफ एक्सेस ऑफ S3O प्लस आयन्स. ड्यू टू द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ एक्सेस ऑफ S3O plus ion, the resulting solution of copper sulfate solution becomes acidic and turns the litmus paper red. Well, this is your answer. Okay, get it even? दोन मार्क्स साठी क्वेश्चन आहे. रिएक्शन ला 1 मार्क and due to presence of excess S3O plus. Define acidic buffer solution. What are the acidic buffer solution? Buffer solutions. What are the different buffer solutions? Okay, this is the acidic buffer solution. What is the question? Define acidic buffer solution. 1 mark ला. Last year question है 2023. Define acidic buffer solution. So what are the acidic buffer solution? A solution containing a weak acid and it salts with strong base is called the acidic buffer solution. Just write the only definition. Definition we use that's 1 mark. Question. Yes, question 1 mark साठी just definition, only definition. Acidic buffer solution, basic buffer करून ठेवा आपण ना, basic buffer solution. Acidic buffer solution म्हणजे काय? A solution containing a weak acid and its salt with strong base is called as a acidic buffer solution. Example तुम्ही नोट करू शकता. Example है sodium acetate is acidic buffer solution. Okay, get it even? Next question. Define the buffer solution. What is the buffer solution? July 2023. July 2023, 1 marks question, buffer solution. What is the buffer solution? Define the buffer solution. So this is definition of buffer solution. Buffer solution is defined as a solution which resists drastic changes in pH when a small amount of strong acid or strong base is added to it. So this is definition of buffer solution. Buffer solution is defined as a solution which resists the drastic change in pH when a small amount of strong acid or strong base is added to it. So this is called as a buffer solution. So the write the only buffer solution definition. If asked the question as a buffer solution, July 2023. So this is 1 mark question, buffer solution. बेसिक बफरची डेफिनेशन करून ठेवा आपण ना, इथे ऍसिडिक बफर आहे ना, ऍसिडिक बफर आहे, बेसिक बफर करून ठेवा आपण, बेसिक बफर सोल्युशन, बेसिक बफर सोल्युशन. Get it? Yes, this is definition for the buffer solution. Next is the write any 4 applications of buffer solution. 4 application, at least you should be able to write the 4 applications of buffer solutions. Yes, these are the applications of buffer solutions. Okay, in biochemical system, pH of blood in our body maintained at 7.36 to 7.42. Get it? This is one of the first application. Biochemical system मध्ये, in biochemical system, pH of blood, okay, 7.36, 7.42. So this is because of the carbonate bicarbonate buffer. Next, the saline solution used for intravenous injection must contain buffer to maintain the proper pH of the blood. Next, agriculture मध्ये the soil get its buffer by carbonate, bicarbonate, phosphate and organic acids. The choice of fertilizer depends upon the pH of the soil. This is very important. The choice of fertilizer depends upon pH of soil. The choice of fertilizer depends upon pH of soil. Get it even? In industry has very important, that's the paper, ink, get it? These are all are the buffer solutions. Medicine in IMP medicines. Okay, penicillin preparations are stabilized by addition of sodium citrate. Addition of sodium citrate. This is very important. Sodium citrate as a buffer. Sodium citrate as a buffer. And when citric acid is added to the milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide, magnesium citrate is formed, which is acts as a buffer. So this is acts as a buffer. Citric acid added to milk of magnesia, magnesium citrate is formed, which is a buffer. So magnesium citrate is a buffer, sodium citrate is a buffer. Get it? Sodium citrate and magnesium citrate. Analytical chemistry qualitative analysis मध्ये, okay, this is acts as a buffer. Ammonium hydroxide, ammonium chloride as a buffer. And how to maintain the pH? pH is maintained in between the 8 to 10. Group, okay, that's the cations of the third A group cations. At least you should write the any 4 applications. There is written as a 5, but you should be able to write the 4 applications. Get it? This is very important. Applications of the buffer solutions. ओके, एवढे क्वेश्चन्स तुमचे बोर्ड साठी विचारलेत, आयोनिक साठी 23 जुलै 23 पर्यंत. नंतर एमसीक्यूज मध्ये हे 2 क्वेश्चन्स एमसीक्यू ॲज एमसीक्यूज आहे. गेट इट? A weak monobasic acid 5% dissociated. So alpha value is given as a 0.05. Get it? Percentage alpha. This is percentage alpha. Concentration given है. Dissociation constant of acid we have to calculate it. K. So K is equal to alpha square into C. K is equal to alpha square into C. Oswald dilution law. Get it? K is equal to alpha square into C. सो पर्सेंटेज अल्फा 0.05 आहे ना, गेट इट. त्याला 100 ने डिवाइड करा म्हणजे किती, 5 × 10⁻⁴. 5 × 10⁻⁴ त्याचा स्क्वेअर आहे इंटू कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन हाऊ मच 0.02. So okay, 5 square 25. 25 into 10 raised to how much? -8 into 2 into 10 raised to -2. 2 into 10 raised to -2. So is equal to 25 into 2 into 10 raised to how much? -2 -8 -10, right? This is -10. So this is a 50. 50 into 10 raised to -10. So value become as a 5. 5 into 10 raised to -9. So B option is the correct. 5 into 10 raised to -9. Get it? Oswald dilution law. This is according to Oswald dilution law. Next question, March 2022. The value of the H plus concentration given है, K पण given है. Get it? This is actually concentration of H plus. This is C is given, weak acid है. Get it? So K is equal to क्या बैठना है? K is equal to alpha square into C. तो first calculate the alpha and concentration of H plus is equal to alpha into C. Get it? So alpha is equal to how much? Concentration of, नहीं, so the H plus alpha into C ना, तो डायरेक्ट तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकता. ओके, कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ H प्लस अल्फा इंटू C. दोन्ही साइडला अल्फा मल्टिप्लाय करू शकता. विल गेट द आन्सर 1.34 into 10 raised to -4. Next is the pH of the weak acidic base. मोनोएसिडिक बेस pH गिवन है तुम्हारा. pH इज इक्वल टू 11.2. OH minus and concentration is equal to concentration of OH minus is equal to how much? तर स्टार्टिंग एक pH दिले ना तुम्हाला, pH पासून H प्लस आणि कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन मिळवा. कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ H प्लस इज इक्वल टू मायनस लॉग टू द बेस 10 ऑफ द is equal to concentration pH. okay, pH है ना, so this is the pH. okay, starting ला pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of the H plus ion concentration. get it? so मायनस घ्या, log चा अँटी लॉग करू शकता आपण. ठीक आहे. आणि त्यानंतर मग OH minus how to calculate? H plus concentration of OH minus is equal to 10 raised to -14. Get it? This is formula. The pH of weak monoacidic basic. तर याच्यापासून हा जो pH 11.2 त्यापासून H प्लस आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कॅल्क्युलेट करा. आणि H प्लस आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कॅल्क्युलेट झाल्यानंतर H प्लस प्लस OH मायनस इज इक्वल टू 10 raised to -14. त्यामध्ये H प्लस ची व्हॅल्यू ऍड करा. विल गेट द OH मायनस आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. ओके, तर 1.585 into 10 raised to -3. दिस इज द युअर आन्सर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हा जुलै क्वेश्चन है 2023. द डिसोसिएशन कांस्टेंट इज K given है, KB given है, this is KB. The degree of dissociation alpha we have to calculate it, and this is the C is the concentration. So simple है, KB is equal to alpha square into C. So alpha is equal to how much? Alpha square is equal to KB divided by C. So alpha is equal to under root KB divided by C. So is equal to, what is under root KB value? KB 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. This whole divided by C. How much? C value 0.01. So we'll get the alpha 0.04242. This is your answer actually. Okay, note करा please, note करून ठेवा. July 2023. Question from July, okay, 2023. So yes, these are the, okay, that's a MCQs. Hey, MCQ चे questions है. Next, numericals. Calculate the pH of buffer solution composed of weak base. So this is the concentration of the BOH. Base concentration of BOH 0.01 molar. And salt, concentration of salt है, salt 0.02. Get it? So Kb value given, Kb also given, pH, pH also given. All this value given, na? Get it? Then how to calculate first? So first we have to calculate the Kb value is given. Okay. So pH is equal to pKa plus log to the base 10 of the concentration of the salt divided by concentration of acid. Take it even. And this by, okay, then just by substituting the value, we'll get the answer. Salt concentration how much? 0.02 I think. Salt concentration 0.02 and then by acid. ही जी value ना salt ची value कितनी पावर है इधर? Salt 0.02 divided by 0.01 ना. So this is the 2/1. So log 2 ची value घ्यायची direct. Log 2 म्हणजे 0.3010. Get it? So what is the answer? pH is equal to, what is the pK value na? So this is the Kb value. So first we have to calculate here. First we have to calculate the pOH. तो तुम्ही काय करा इथे pOH calculate करा. pOH. Here is calculation as a pKb ठीक है. आणि इथे काय असणार आहे बेस आहे सॉल्ट डिवाइडेड बाय बेस ठीक आहे. गेट इट? सॉल्ट डिवाइडेड बाय बेस. हां आता करेक्ट पाहिजे. मग आता हा जो pOH दिलाय तुम्हाला दिस इज द pOH. मग सो दिस इज द pOH. pOH is equal to, this is the Kb value is given, so calculate the pKb first. How to calculate the pKb? pKb is equal to minus log to the base 10 of the Kb value. So what is the Kb value? 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5 is equal to minus log to the base 10 of the 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. So this is the P, okay, that's the pOH is equal to, directly pOH calculate करा and pOH calculate केल्यानंतर मग pH calculate करा. Get it in this way. pOH is equal to P starting as a pH equal to 14, okay, 14 minus pOH. ओके, याच्यामध्ये सॉल्व आहे, प्रिव्हियस इयर क्वेश्चन मध्ये चेक करा आपण, प्रिव्हियस इयर क्वेश्चन आहे ना, त्याच्यामध्ये हा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व असेल. ओके, द pH ऑफ द सोल्युशन इज 3.12. pH इज गिवन आहे, pH व्हॅल्यू 3.12. कॅल्क्युलेट द कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ H प्लस. S3O प्लस म्हणजे काय, कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ H प्लस. सो pH इज इक्वल टू, फॉर्म्युला pH इज इक्वल टू minus log to the Weston of the H plus ion concentration. So how to calculate the H plus ion concentration? By taking the log of both sides. तो दोन्ही साइडचे log घेऊ शकता. Okay? By taking the log of both sides. 3.12 ना. So in this way. Okay, pH is equal to minus log to the Weston of the concentration of H plus ion. So that's a 3.12 is equal to minus log to the Weston of the H plus ion concentration. So this is the log to the Weston of the H plus ion concentration is equal to minus 3.12. So by taking the antilog of both sides, by taking antilog of both sides, so antilog of the log to the 10 H plus ion concentration is equal to antilog of the minus 3.12. Get it? So this is log antilog get cancel. Antilog log get cancel. So what is the left behind? Concentration of H plus. So this is the antilog of the this value. So this value that should be converted into the bar value. So this is the minus 3.1200. यांच्यातून कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक आणि मॅन्टिसा सेपरेट करा. मग हा -3 आहे, -1. सो बिकम ॲज अ बार 4 पॉइंट. आता यामध्ये दॅट्स 1.000 आणि -0.1200 सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करा. व्हॅल्यू काय भेटणार? 0.08 10 to 8 1 8. गेट इट? आणि 0.0 आणि व्हॅल्यू कंपाईल करा म्हणजे बार 4.8800. आता म्हणजे थोडक्यात हा जो नंबर आहे ना -3 तो मी असं कन्वर्ट केलाय बार 4.8800. आता याचा अँटीलॉग पाहताना 88चा 00 मध्ये पाहिजे. 8800 कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ H प्लस आणि त्या नंबरला एका व्हॅल्यू नंतर डेसिमल द्यायचा आणि इंटू 10⁴ करायचे आणि आन्सर लिहायचं मोल पर लिटर. बस दिस इज युअर आन्सर. गेट इट? काय डाऊट यामध्ये? So pH is equal to minus log to the Weston of H plus ion concentration. So pH 3.12 is equal to minus log to the Weston of H plus ion concentration. So the निगेटिव्ह साईन लेफ्ट राईट करू शकता आपण. निगेटिव्ह साईन लेफ्टला घेतलंय मी -3.12. बाय टेकिंग द अँटीलॉग ऑफ बोथ साईड, दोन्ही साईडचे अँटीलॉग घ्या. मग अँटीलॉग लॉग कॅन्सल होणार आहे. मग ओनली लेफ्ट बिहाइंड ॲज द कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ H प्लस. सो कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ H प्लस इक्वल टू अँटीलॉग ऑफ द -3.1200. पण निगेटिव्ह व्हॅल्यूचा अँटीलॉग कॅल्क्युलेट करता येत नाही, लक्षात ठेवा. निगेटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू शुड बी इन द बार. सो अँटीलॉग ऑफ द अँटीलॉग, ओके, जी मायनस व्हॅल्यू आहे ती मी बार मध्ये कन्वर्ट केलेली. हाऊ टू कन्वर्ट इन टू बार? तर कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक आणि मॅन्टिसा सेपरेट करा. कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक आणि मॅन्टिसा सेपरेट. तर कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक मॅन्टिसा सेपरेट केल्यानंतर ओके, जी कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक आहे त्याच्यामध्ये -1 ऍड करा आणि जे मॅन्टिस आहे त्याच्यामध्ये +1 ऍड करा. ऍक्च्युअली ते सबस्ट्रॅक्ट होतील. +1 -1. सो द व्हॅल्यू कन्वर्ट ॲज द बार 4. आणि बार 4चा अँटीलॉग पाहताना 88चा 0 मध्ये पहा. 88चा 00 आणि त्याचे 4 नंबर मिळतील, 4 नंबर. तर इंटू 10⁻⁻4 करा. हे बार 4 म्हणजे काय, 10⁻⁻4. आणि एका व्हॅल्यू नंतर डेसिमल द्या. सिंगल व्हॅल्यू डेसिमल इंटू 10⁻⁴. दिस इज युअर आन्सर. ओके, क्लिअर आहे? ठीक आहे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, 23चा क्वेश्चन आहे. मोनोबेसिक ऍसिड 10% डिसोसिएटेड. अल्फा व्हॅल्यू गिव्हन आहे. डिवाइड बाय 100 करा, तुम्हाला मिळतील पर्सेंटेज अल्फा. 0.05 कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आहे. व्हॉट इज द पर्सेंट डिसोसिएशन इन 0.01 कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन? दुसरं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आहे. दिस इज अगेन अनदर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आणि त्याचे अल्फा विचारले तुम्हाला. गेट इट? सो 2 सोल्युशन आहे, 2 सोल्युशनचे अल्फा आहे. ऑसवर्ड डायल्यूशन लॉ. गेट इट? ऑसवर्ड डायल्यूशन लॉ. ओके, सीईटीचे क्वेश्चन्स आहे. Okay, now start the next. Solubility product. What is the definition of the solubility product? 1 mark साठी question आहे solubility product. This is solubility product definition. Okay, in the saturated solution of the sparingly soluble salt, product of equilibrium concentration of the constituent ion raised to power equal to their respective coefficient in the balance equation expression. So this is the definition of solubility product. So please mark करा आपण label करून ठेवा. This is very important definition for solubility product. Get it? 1 mark साठी question आहे. Solubility product 2021 चा question आहे. Derive the relationship between the solubility and solubility product for PBI2. PBI2 साठी तुम्हाला सॉल्व करायचं PBI2. PBI2 मला वाटतं सॉल्व आहे डायरेक्ट. ओके PBI2 सॉल्व असेल. Yes, this is given for PBI2. So this is the PB2 plus twice I minus xy y2 आणि फॉर्म्युला वापरा आपण. कोणता फॉर्म्युला? KSP is equal to x raised to x, y raised to y, s raised to x plus y. Get it? This is the formula. So we have to calculate the 1s2 1, 2s2 2, s raised to 1 plus 2, 4s cube. So KSP is equal to 4s cube. So this is your answer. Get it everyone? So this is question from 23-21 ला पण क्वेश्चन विचारला. 23-21. बाकीचे जे एक्झाम्पल AlOH थाईस ॲल्युमिनियम हायड्रॉक्साईड ते पण करून ठेवा आपण. ॲल्युमिनियम हायड्रॉक्साईड बाकीचे पण एक्झाम्पल्स इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. जे सॉल्व क्वेश्चन्स आहे जे सॉल्व आहे ते तर इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. लक्ष द्या सॉल्व. गेट इट? हे पण करून ठेवा आपण. मोलर सोलुबिलिटी हे दोन. सोलुबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट मोलर सोलुबिलिटी आणि हा क्वेश्चन आहे ऍक्च्युअली व्हॉट विल बी द मोलर सोलुबिलिटी मोल पर DMQ. हे IMP क्वेश्चन करा. ओके ही जी फाईल या फाईलची लिंक तुम्हाला टेलिग्राम चॅनल मध्ये मिळेल किंवा वर जे व्हॉट्सअपचा लिंक आहे त्याला मिळेल. ठीक आहे. हा हे क्वेश्चन IMP करून ठेवा आपण. सोलुबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट मोलर सोलुबिलिटी ओके गेट इट इवन. आणि सोलुबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट आणि नंतर हे रिलेशन हे बाकीचे पण करून ठेवा आपण. बाकीचे पहिले सॉल्व आहे. AlOH साईज एक IMP करून ठेवा. गेट इट? रिलेशन 27 s raised to 4th. PBI2 नंतर हे अजून एक सॉल्व केलं ऑलरेडी. हे पण IMP करा आपण. AGBR जेवढे सॉल्व आहे ते आपण चेक करा. दिस आर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. S स्क्वेअर. ओके, हे पण करून ठेवा आपण. CF2 बिस्मथ, कॅल्शियम फॉस्फेट, गेट इट, बेरियम सल्फेट. ठीक आहे, दीज आर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. याच्यात काही डाऊट? नो. आय थिंक इथे नोट्स मध्ये सॉल्व असणार ते, पण चेक करा आपण. गेट इट एव्हरीवन. हाई क्वेश्चन पार्ट 26 आहे. A lowest size.